Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete your Facebook story. Here you can see I am already in my Facebook application, and at the top you can see that I have uploaded an story. Now in order to delete it, you can simply tap on that story. Now here at the top you can see three dot icon, you need to tap on that. Now various options will be presented. You can either edit your story privacy, either just save photo, archive photo, delete photo, and many more. If you tap on the option archive photo, the photo will be removed from your story and it will be saved to your archive. But if you delete your story, then it won't be saved to your archive. Now you need to tap on delete photo. This kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on delete. And now you can see that your story has been deleted. And this is how easily you can delete your Facebook stories. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.